I'm live here. I.M. Canal. Gonna try out just a canal for a little bit. There's a river right here if we have to. I don't have a lot of time. I only have 2 hours to stream, or 2 hours to fish. So stick with me and let's see if we can catch something. Yeah, I don't have a long time today. I gotta meet up a buddy at 3:45. Help him with some stuff. So I figured I'd just do a quick little stream till 3 is what I'm doing. What's up, Docile? What's going on? How you doing? So we got night crawlers again. I got red worms. I'm gonna try night crawlers this time. I was doing red worms when I caught the bluegills, but I want to see if the night crawlers do anything different with the bobber. And then I got some stuff with the jig. I fished here one time a long time ago on stream, and we caught a couple fish. Oh, we're doing good. It's cold. It was snowing just a second ago. I think this is my last day of above freezing, technically, for a long time. It's supposed to be in the... Ooh, I can hear that wind now, too. I think it's supposed to be below freezing for the next, like, week and a half or something. Okay, got that. I dropped half my worm. That's all right. Well, let's try a worm for a little bit with just a bobber. The what? Okay. Water's really high right now. Maybe not for the canal, but for the river and stuff. Actually, it's got to be high for the canal because the canal's actually flowing. Let's just try here. I got a good 5-foot depth. We're just going to see what I can catch right here, right below this spill, or right above the spillway part. Right where that log is. See if we can get something. Let's go below. Geez, where do I cast it? And let's try. How deep am I? That's good enough to start with. Oh, it's just a jungle down there, guys. I might lose a hook or two trying to catch a fish, but it might be worth it. We'll try where there's no trouble right now. Oh, get a bite. Wow, we got our first bite of the day, chat. That was an actual bite. Woohoo! We found fish. Got another bite. Another bite. Got a fish. Let's go. Bluegill. Let's get it. We're on the board, chat. Oh. I was trying to show you. Nope, dropped him. Look at that little bluegill. Let's go. We'll throw him over here. There we go. Thank you for adding that. I'm excited. Let's see if we can get another one. We're gonna try the impossible. Look at all that, like, just dangerous snags right there. We can just get right. There we go. There's all kinds of snags in there. I think we're right in between it too. Everything. Let's see. Oh, getting a bite, I think. Kind of looks like a bite. Yep, little bite. Come on, take it, baby. You know you want it. The hard part's going to be trying to get the fish. So there's so many, like, I can see there's just branches everywhere down there. Ooh, I don't know if that's a good one. Okay, I think I can get, I'm off the snag. The thing is, I don't have another bobber. I should actually keep more bobbers in my bag. So if I lose the bobber, that's bad. There we go, bite. I can't see. And let's do that. Okay. Let's try it right should just try straight down, but oh, that's not it. There we go. Okay, we're in between. Looks dick. Baba boys, yep. Got to make that magazine still, or the calendar. I think we're on a snag. Just the way my bobber looks, it's not sitting right. Oh, got a bite though. So something's wiggling it. Wiggle it off that snag. There we go. Oh, this is a better bluegill. Not giant, but better.
Oh,
look at
the butt on that.
Let's go. That's 2.
Yeah. He must work out.
He must work out. Yeah, look at that one. That one's decent. That's a decent gill. Right there. Oh. There he goes. Nice and safe in the water. That's 2. 2 fish in, what, 4 minutes? 2 bluegills in 4 minutes? 2 minutes? Probably 4. Let's see if there's another one. That was bigger, and that one felt like it barely bit. Well, we know next time, just come here. Straight here first. There we go. Ooh, they're decent sized gills right there, guys. Those last 2 are, this one and the last one are definitely like, I'd keep them if I was keeping fish today. Show you this one. Like if I had a bucket. Look at that one's decent. I'd keep that one. A little thick. Oh, he poked me. See?
Hello there.
All right, I'll get you back in the water. Yeah, kind of thick. Yeah, hello there. There we go. This one. Whoop. Bluegill sack. Hello. I wonder if my weight fell off. Seems like there's something different, like my weight fell off or something. Or no, what? I think my weight's right underneath the bobber. Maybe that's what it. Oh, we might just be done. I think we're done. I think we're done, chat. Yep. Rip. I should have left when I wanted to leave, guys. We're done. No, I did not. Thank you, Stone. Good thing I didn't catch anything yet. But yeah, hey guys, I'm back. We're fishing the exact same spot I left off yesterday. Except for I bought crappie minnows. Hoping this would work. Yeah. Right here. Come on, we're waiting. I'm waiting. Do something. Those people were saying stuff. No, I don't know if my headset's connected. That's the thing. It's probably colder there than it is here. At least wetter. Maybe I'm too deep though. Maybe the wave's right. Maybe I'm too deep. Because you want the crappie looking up at your fish, not looking down. Give it a second, see what. It might be, man. It's where my I tied my leader on. It's like no. right, guys, thank you so much for all coming in. I don't know if I got any subs or anything, but if I did, thank you so much for the subs. I know we got rates, a bunch of follows today. Thanks for everybody just chilling, lurking, staying warm, watching me fish. I'm sorry I didn't catch anything. Terrible day of fishing. I should have went out. Should have stayed home, and we did some chit-chatting. So, just did that. Next stream will probably be Tuesday.